Welcome to another exciting video from Ebonyi People TV. Today we are taking you on a special drive through the vibrant and bustling nightlife of Aba, right in Abia State. Aba, known for its entrepreneurial spirit and thriving market scene, doesn't slow down when the sun sets, nah. And because of this, after the day's hustle, they just want to settle in one corner of the town and chop life, right? All the Aba residents, please let us know how you all eat life in this town after the day's work, biko. We want to know. The city comes alive in a different way. From the lively bars, local street vendors, and music-filled lounges, there's so much to experience after dark. Whether you're in the mood for a cold drink, like a long day, or just want to vibe to some local Afrobeat tunes, Aba has something for everyone. The bars here aren't just about drinks. They are social hubs where you catch up with friends, enjoy some suya, or take in live high-life performances. Do you think Aba has the best nightlife amongst the following places in the southeast? I think we have Nnewi, Onitsha, Enugu, they try. Owerri, where else? Afikpo in Ebonyi State also try as well. Please add yours in the comment section to this list of mine. Let us know which places have the better or rather the best nightlife. You know, Ndi Igbo love to chop life like it's in our DNA. No cap. Speaking of food, one thing that defines Aba's nightlife is the street food. Late night cravings. You'll find vendors on almost every corner selling roasted plantain, fish, and nkwobi. The streets stay alive with the aroma of grilled delicacies, laughter from its residents, and the sounds of the city. Honestly, there's something special about the energy here in Aba. It's warm, friendly, and always welcoming. Now, before we dive deeper into the nightlife of Aba, we've got a special birthday shout out to give. A huge happy birthday to one of our loyal viewers, Evangelist Egu Godwin Eze from Akpoha Town in Afikpo North Local Government Area, Ebonyi State. Evangelist Eze, we at Ebonyi People TV celebrate you today. Thank you for always tuning in, and we pray this new year brings you many blessings. Have a fantastic birthday. Kindly drop a birthday wish in the comment section below. Alright, back to our tour of Aba's nightlife. Now, if you're the kind of person who loves music, you appreciate the local clubs here. The sounds of Afrobeat and high life fill the air, and people come out to dance the night away. The nightlife here isn't as flashy as Lagos, but it has a charm of its own, rooted in the local culture and rich energy. I mean, it's incomparable. If you are ever in Aba, trust me, the nightlife is worth exploring. As the night goes on, the vibe only gets better. Whether you're looking to unwind or join in on the fun, Aba's got everything for you. The people, the music, the food, it's all part of what makes the city unique after dark. And there you have it, our dearest viewers, a little taste of Aba's nightlife. But before we go, don't forget to keep the birthday entries coming in. If you'd like to be featured, just like Evangelist Eze, drop us your name, where you're watching from, and a photo, and let's celebrate you here on Ebonyi People TV channel. And remember, for your event coverage, whether in Ebonyi State or beyond, reach out to the number now showing on your screen. Would love to bring your special moments to life. See you in our next video.